A phrase is essentially a group of related words that work together to convey a specific meaning, but it doesn't contain both a subject and a verb. Think of it as a building block of language, helping us to add depth and detail to our sentences. For example, in the sentence, he is laughing at the joker, the phrase at the joker gives us more context about who he's laughing at, but it doesn't stand alone as a complete thought. Phrases can serve various functions in a sentence. They can act as nouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, or even prepositions. The role a phrase plays depends on its structure and the words it contains. For instance, take the phrase, the big red balloon. Here it functions as a noun phrase, giving us a clear image of what we're talking about. Now let's consider another example, running through the park. This phrase serves as a verb phrase, indicating an action without specifying who is doing it. It's like a snapshot of an activity, inviting the listener to imagine the scene. Then we have phrases like quickly and quietly. This one functions as an adverb phrase, modifying how an action is performed. It adds a layer of detail, telling us not just what is happening, but how it's happening. Adjective phrases can also enhance our descriptions. For example, full of energy can modify a noun as in a dog full of energy. It paints a vivid picture, allowing us to visualize the dog's lively nature. Let's not forget about appositive phrases, which provide additional information about a noun. For instance, in the sentence, my brother, a talented musician, is performing tonight, the phrase a talented musician gives us more insight into who my brother is. We also encounter infinitive phrases like to read a book, which can function as a noun, adjective, or adverb. In the sentence, I love to read a book, the phrase acts as a noun indicating what I love. Participle phrases such as barking loudly can add action to a sentence. For example, the dog barking loudly chased the cat. Here it describes the dog's action, making the scene more dynamic. Lastly, there are gerund phrases which end in ing and act like nouns. In swimming in the ocean is fun, the phrase swimming in the ocean is the subject of the sentence, showing us what is fun. Phrases are everywhere in our language, enriching our communication and helping us express complex ideas in a concise way. They allow us to convey emotions, actions, and descriptions without needing a full sentence. So, next time you're crafting a sentence, think about how you can use phrases to make your writing more vivid and engaging.